Cross Texas School. Today we are here for this auspicious occasion. We are celebrating Diwali Fest in our Holy Cross Texas School, Sonipat. Here on this day, our students are taking part in Diwali Fest by taking part in different competitions like diya making and rangoli making. As people all around the world are decorating their houses with colors and they are preparing, they are decorating everything, they are lighting up the skies with fireworks. As you know, the word Diwali is derived from a Sanskrit word, Deepavali, which means row of lit lamps, as the Diwali is known as the festival of lights. Now, let's move to see the artistry and creativity of our ingenious students. So now we will not only view the creative skills of our ingenious students, but we will ask them few questions regarding Diwali. Let's now move towards Vidisha. Yes, students, how are you all?
We are fine, ma'am.
Do you know which festival is coming?
Yes, Diwali.
Diwali. Yes, you know why we celebrate this festival?
Ma'am, because Lord Ram returned after being exiled for 14 years.
Yes. From which state Lord Rama belongs? From which
Ayodhya.
Okay, Ayodhya lies in which state? Recently. Which state of India? Which state of Uttar Pradesh? Yes, Uttar Pradesh. Very good. Can you tell me the name of wife of Lord Rama?
Sita.
And who he has defeated?
Rama.
From which country he belongs?
Sri Lanka.
Lanka. That was made of
Gold.
gold. Very nice answer. Very good. Now, Vidisha,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell some words about Diwali.
Diwali, the 5-day festival, is celebrated by Hindus, Sikhs, Jains and some Buddhists. Hindus to rejoice Lord Ram returns home after being exiled for 14 years and defeating a king known as Ram. Jains celebrate the festival to mark the spiritual awakening of their Lord Mahavira. Sikhs celebrate Diwali to commemorate their spiritual leader Guru Har Gobind returned to Amritsar, a city in northern India after being imprisoned, and some Buddhists celebrate festival to honor Emperor Ashoka's decision to follow the path of peace and converting to Buddhism after witnessing a lot of killing. Although these four religions have different reasons to celebrate Diwali, but what they have in common is the concept of new beginning, light over darkness and good over evil. May this festival of light brightens your life, brings happiness, joy and prosperity for you and for your family. Happy Diwali.
Okay, what is this?
Rangoli.
Who all have taken part in this? Raise your hands. It's nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
And who have made this diya? Vidisha. Very nice art. Good. The colors that you have used, these are bright. Nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, wonderful. Wonderful art. Who have made this? You all three. From where you have got this idea? You have decorated this diya.
This is in the 9th class.
That one is who had decorated that? This one? Nice art. Very good. Well done. Thank you. Wow, wonderful.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am. Who have made this rangoli?
Yes, we all. Lakshmi enters in our house.
Okay, nice. Do you know why we celebrate Diwali?
When we celebrate Diwali, return of Lord Rama after 14 years.
From where he returned? To whom he defeated?
Ravana.
He defeated. Okay. After how many years of exile, Vandana? Speak loudly. After 14 years of exile. And Diwali is also known as which other name? Yes, Mukul. By which other name Diwali is also known as? Lights. Okay. How do you decorate your house on the day of Diwali?
By putting diyas and candles.
Okay.
And cleaning our house.
Good. Nice answer. Very nice. Students, which festival is there now? What you have made? Rangoli, as the name suggests. Different colors you have used here. So this Diwali festival is known as the festival of lights. You all have taken part in this? Nice performance. Let's clap for you all. Which picture is this? Which Lord? Lord Ganesha. Okay, Lord Ganesha stands for Lord of Being. Nice answer. Very good. And he also stands for prosperity. When we start any work, we begin with the prayers of Lord Ganesha. Good. On the day of Diwali, which goddess we worship? Goddess Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi is the goddess of. Yes. What do you expect from Goddess Lakshmi? For what you pray, Goddess Lakshmi?
Money.
Yes. Nice answer. Very good. Clap for you. Happy Diwali to all of you. Very good. Depiction of Rangoli competition. Do you expecting any position? Which position?
First.
Are you feeling your Rangoli deserve first position? No, it's not deserving first position. Little lackings are there in this. Like little finishing you require. If you will do finishing in a proper way, color filling, the boundaries, outline and all, definitely next time you get first position. But this time you got third position. Let's clap for you. Candies for your performance in this Rangoli competition. Sir, please distribute candies. Yes, nice art. Which position you are expecting?
First.
Really, you deserve first? Little lackings are there. Like you can see, here curving is not finished. Little you have spoiled it. Okay? Try your best. Next time, this time, you are getting second position. Okay?